In the beauty of Mother Nature lies our lives. Embracing the most valuable gifts from nature, Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute's high purification technology and fermentation biotechnology created premium cosmetics, Atomy Skincare 6 Systems, top 4 technologies that transform your skin, cutting-edge technology that enriches cosmetic ingredients from fresh green tea leaf, high purification technology enhances efficacy through high-content composition. Awaken your skin's vitality with essential fresh herbs. Fresh herb extraction biotechnology, multiple nano capsule technology. The capsule technology allows outstanding absorption of nutrition to the deepest level of the skin with nanoparticles. And ancient natural ingredients. Phyllomyces japonica, Phellinus linteus meets the fermenting technology to make premium solution for my skin. Now experience the miracle of Atomy Skincare 6 System.